Hi, I'm Bron.
I'm Chris.
And we are
Vasse Valley. We are a paddock-to-plate farming business. We sow, grow, harvest and process all of our roasted hemp seed on our family farm.
We specialise in roasted hemp seed, an exciting new flavour. Today we will be demonstrating how you can use this flavour in your home cuisine.
For those who don't know, hemp is a low THC variety of cannabis.
You won't get high off it and it's perfectly safe to eat.
In late 2017, hemp became legal in Australia and New Zealand for human consumption.
So the first chef in Australia to use our delicious roasted hemp seed products is Chef Vicky Austin from Basalt Restaurant in Bunbury, Western Australia. G'day Vicky.
G'day team.
Vicky has been experimenting with our products since legalisation and has come up with a fantastic range of recipes that you will find on our website at vassevalley.com.au. Vicky, tell us which Vasse Valley products you've been using and why you like using them.
Well, we've been using both the crumble and the paste, and the crumble is so good with it, just adds a crunch to a soft, smooth mousse, and with the paste it just adds an extra intensity and nutty flavour.
What will you be cooking for us today, Vicky?
Today, Bron, I'm going to be cooking a mustard and hemp seed crusted scotch fillet, and for dessert I will be doing a chocolate marquise with a hemp and almond ice cream.
Sounds awesome. Let's get cooking.
Okay, so I've got some lovely scotch fillet from Binning Up Meats. So for the marinade, I'm just going to take 1 tablespoon of seeded mustard, 1 tablespoon of hemp seed paste, and 1.5 of the hemp seed crumble. I'm just going to chuck in about 6 or 7 sprigs of thyme, up to you really. Give it a good mix. Then you're going to take your nice scotch fillet, just paste it on. Now we're ready to slap it on the barbecue. Okay, so now it's time to plate up the scotch fillet. So I've just got a nice basic potato and spinach salad. Look at that. And place that in the middle. This salad is nice and simple, just a little bit of salt, pepper and olive oil. I'm gonna grab my beautiful scotch, sit that on top. Nice little bit of sauce. So the sauce is a red wine jus, and to finish it off, the all important nice little sprinkling of hemp. And there you have scotch fillet, mustard and hemp. Okay, as promised, here is the dessert. Unfortunately, I'm not showing you the recipe today, but I will show you how I like to plate it and how we do things at the Basalt restaurant. All these recipes that I have done you can find at Vasse Valley website. So I've got a chocolate mousse, chocolate and hemp soil, and an almond and hemp ice cream. I will start with the chocolate soil. Just sprinkle around the edges of the bit of raspberry coulis. A little bit of chocolate sauce. And for the chocolate mousse, it's really important to use a nice shaped spoon, dessert spoon, and some hot water just to get a nice quenelle shaped with the mousse. Two nice little balls like that. And then for the almonds, roasted almond and hemp ice cream, crumble and the paste just to texturize it and give it a really intense flavor. Top it off with some chocolate crackling. Sprinkle it around the plate. A few more snapdragons. And to finish it off, a little crusting of hemp seed. And there you have chocolate, hemp, almond dessert.
Vicky, thank you so much for joining us today and sharing with us your delicious recipes. If you would like to try any of Vicky's recipes, you can find all of our products at vassevalley.com.au. We hope that you've enjoyed the hemp experience with us. Until next time.
Thank you.